Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok under review. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is go to your TikTok. Now, for some reason, the TikTok says your video is under review. What you need to do is, if your uploaded video is following the community guidelines of the TikTok or not. Sometimes if the TikTok deems you as a potential spam, or your content is violating the community guidelines, then the TikTok will keep that video under review. Either you can simply remove the video and then upload it again, or just give it some time for TikTok to review it, and then you will be able to post your video. And that's basically how to fix TikTok under review. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.